Welcome to the in front of me Nokia X20, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level on this device. So I'll set here the maximum mode, and when the decibel meter will reaches the highest volume here, then the value on this display will change. So let's start. So as you can see, our Nokia X20 reached 112 and 6 decibels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.